Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are enjoying my online classes. Yes. So in previous classes, I have discussed about the seed, different type of seed. Seed are vary from their shape, size. Yes or no? And seed have so many structures. Seed grew into plant. Yes or no? So we have discussed about the types of seed. It is two types of seed. One is the monocotyledon and another is the dicotyledon. Yes. So I also given so many example, the monocotyledon leaves and dicotyledon leaves. Okay, cotyledon means it is the leaves. Okay, mono means one, di means two. Okay, so already we have discussed about this. So today I am going to discuss how. Okay, so today I am going to how seed grew into plant. Okay, how seed grew into plant. Okay, how seed grow into plant. Yes. So how seed. Okay, how seed. Okay, how seed grow into. So how seed grow into plant. So already if you put. Okay, so think. Okay, so this is a potato seed. Okay, from the potato seed, so a plant will be arises. Yes or no? So this is a from the potato leaves a small, okay, small embryo. Okay, this is called a baby plant. So it will be grow and it may be a seedling. Yes or no? So how a plant, okay, how a seed grow then into a plant. Okay, means first I will put a seed, then how a seed grow and it may be a plant. How? So many processes there and it takes so many days. Yes or no? So you observe your surrounding, or otherwise you can go through your garden or any field. Okay, or agriculture field. Okay, so what will happen? First they put seed na. What will happen after that? They provide water. Yes, no? Yes or no? So again they wait for so many days. After that the seed will be released as a small plant. After that it will be then medium plant, and then it will be large plant. After that the plant may be large, or it will provide what? It will provide fruits or flower, then fruits. Yes or no? After that the plant will be die. Yes or no? This like a plant they grow and then it will be die. Okay, so first what will happen? Suppose think this is a seed. Okay, so this is a seed. You take this is a seed. Yes or no? So what will happen? This is a seed. Okay, so what will happen? Suppose you put a seed on the where? Or you put a seed on the ground. Yes or no? So what will happen? The seed. So the seed. Okay, so the seed it will be releases one. Okay, so when you put a seed. Okay, so when you put a seed, what will happen? A line. Okay, or a root like structure will grow through the ground. So this is called a radicle. What? So this is called a radicle. Yes. So when you put a seed on the ground after providing water, so many days, what will happen? A seed releases. Okay. So it is a seed releases a root like root like structure. It will go through the ground. So this line is called a radicle. Okay, so after that this is grown as a root. Okay, so what will happen? So this first step, first put a seed on the ground. Yes, after that provide water. Okay, so what will happen? Soil take water, mineral. Yes or no? And some climate. Okay, so suppose think it is very high temperature. Okay, so what will happen if you not provide water? The seed will not releases their radicle. Okay, like this. What will happen when the seed got all the things? Soil, water, mineral. So what will happen? The seed releases a white like outgrowth towards the below the ground. So this outgrowth is called a radicle. So this radicle, what will happen? It is grown as a root. Yes or no? So see, this is the how. Yeah. This is when the seed you put, it will outgrowth will go. This is called the radicle is grown as a root. Yes or no? Then what will happen? Again, okay. So again, what will happen? So this radicle is grown as a. Then again, what will happen? The seed. Again, the seed another outgrowth. It will grow through the upward, and the radicle. Okay. The radicle to down. Okay. So radicle. Then this is called what? The outgrowth is grow through the up. So this is called a plumule. What? So this plumule, okay, the plumule grew as a plant. It is arises there leaves, then it become flowers. From the flowers, it is the fruits. Okay, so you will be get like that way. You will be find out that. So what will the radically it is grown as a root. This is the plant. Okay, so think the plumule. Okay, the plumule it is grow and it is make a plant. Yes or no? After that, what will happen? The plumule it will make a plant, small plant, seedling. Okay, so then what will happen? So it is a plant. Okay, got idea? How the seed grew into a plant. Okay, how seed grew into plant. First, you can observe this experiment in your home. So first, you take one seed. Okay, put on the ground. Okay, provide water, soil, or some compost, and observe. So you will find some white like outgrowth will be releases. So this outgrowth, it grew through the ground. This is called a radicle. Okay, and after some day you observe again one outgrowth will go through the up. Okay, so it is called a plumule. So this plumule, okay, this plumule it grow as a plant, small plant. Okay, so from to seed to plant. Okay, in that way the seed grew into plant. Okay, so the growing up of seed to plant is called germination. What? Germination. So what is germination? Okay, write down. Right, what is germination? Okay, this is about how seed grew into a plant. Okay, so what is germination? Okay, what is the germination? Okay, so what is germination? Okay, so first in a how seed grew into plant na? So first what will happen? We put a seed on the ground, then we provide water, soil. Yes or no? Then seed grew into a small plant. Okay, so this small plant, the seed changes into plant na. So this seed, the process of developing seed into seedling, seed into a plant is called a germination. Okay, right. The process by which a seed grow into plant. Okay, called the seedling, called germination. Sorry, called the germination. Okay, so what will happen? The process by which a seed grew into a plant. Okay, from what will happen? This is a seed. Suppose think this is a seed. Okay, yes or no? So this is a seed. You think this is a seed. Okay, from seed to it will grow into a what? It is a plant. Yes or no? So this is a plant. Okay, seed to plant. Okay, from seed to plant, or the seed to plant is called a germination. Okay, but from seed to plant. Okay, the process in which seed grow into the process by which a seed grow into plant are called germination. Okay, germination idea over. From seed to plant. Okay, seed to plant is called a germination. What is this? Germination. Okay, so seed to plant, it is called a germination. Yes. So then next we will discuss about the pumpkin. Okay, have you seen pumpkin? It is very large structure. Okay, you can found in your agriculture or in your field. Okay, so what will happen? How the pumpkin? Okay, so it is grow into from seed to it make a plant, or how it is germinate. Okay, how it is germinate. Okay. So, all of you, have you seen the pumpkin seed? Yes or no? It is look like how? It is look like a flat. Yes or no? Or thin? It is look like a flat. Yes or no? So, what will happen? Pumpkin. In your textbook, okay, one picture is given about the how the pumpkin seed it germinate and grow into a plant. Okay, so pumpkin plant germination, seed germination, sorry, pumpkin seed germination. Okay, pumpkin seed germination. What will happen? First, suppose this is like pumpkin plant, yes or no? Pumpkin seed, yes or no? Seed. Okay. From the seed, first what will happen? From seed to it, what will happen? From leaves, yes or no? First we will put a seed, after that it will happen, it will come out of some leaves, yes or no? Okay, leaves, yes or no? From the leaves what will happen? From leaves it will be flower, yes or no? Flower. From flower to first then seed, yes or no? So first which seed it will provide? A green seed, yes or no? So it will be seed. Suppose think this is a pumpkin, yes or no? It is a green seed. Okay, green seed. Green fruits. Okay, sorry, green fruits. From green fruits again what will happen? It will make it again a ripe na, yes or no? So it may be ripe. Okay, yes. Okay, ripe fruits. So then ripe fruits, what will happen? The ripe fruits again it fell down as a seed, yes or no? Seed, yes or no? So this from again the seed to again what will happen? Again plant, yes or no? From plant, yes or no? So what will happen? From the seed, yes. So this is the life structure. Okay, so this is the life structure of the pumpkin, yes or no? So then come to this is over. First take a seed. Okay, first take a seed, and after that the seed will be grow, it will make a leaves. Okay, from the leaves it will be flower, yes or no? From the flower what will be fruits. Okay, it is the raw fruits, okay, or green fruits. From the green fruits to then again the fruits will be ripe, yes. Again ripe, the seed will be fell down, yes or no? Again this seed will be grow leaves. Plant is like way it will be it is a cyclic way it will happen in the or surrounding, yes or no? So you can observe this, you can do take one some seed and you can home or your house or garden you can do this experiment. It's a very easy experiment. Don't worry about this. Okay, so then come to dispersal of seed. Okay, so come to dispersal of a seed. Okay, so dispersal of a seed. Okay, dispersal of a seed. So dispersal means travel. Okay, so what this, it is a travel. Okay, so dispersal of seed means travel. So sometime you observe. Okay, so what will happen, in some area all three are not available. Okay, yes or no? But why it is not available means the seed are not travel from in that place to this place. Okay, why not they are travel? Because they don't get any agent or any medium for transport from one place to another place. Yes, so you think in Vidyapur in Gulbarga. Okay, so only neem tree is there, but mango tree is not there. Why? Because why not there? Because mango tree are not it is travel from another place. Okay, so you think you will be find out guava tree. Okay, where you will find out the America. How you will find? Because from the by the help of medium of animal, water, or any animal or water or human being, they carry seed. Okay, they carry seed from one place to another place. Yes or no? So that's why in America you will find out the guava tree or any lemon tree. Yes sir. Okay, so dispersal of a seed means travel of a seed from one place to another place. Okay, so write down the movement. Okay, movement or scattering. Scattering means spread. Okay, scattering or rightly spread. Okay, the movement or scattering. Okay, the movement means move, travel. The movement or scattering of a seed from one place to other place are called seed dispersal. Okay, seed dispersal. So suppose our thing. Okay, suppose in Odisha. Okay, suppose in Odisha this is a mango tree is there. Okay, mango seed is there. So you can find this mango tree in the Karnataka. Okay, so you will be find the mango tree in the Karnataka. How it is go through here? By the human being. Okay, suppose by the human being or animal. Suppose a bird is staying in the Karnataka. Okay, so it will take some banana seed and they fell down on the Odisha. So in that way the seed will be travel from one place to another place, or sometime water. Okay, so suppose think. Okay, in the bank of the river some coconut tree and some seed are there, seed plant are there, they are growing now. What will happen when the fruits will be ripe? It will fall down on the water. By the help of water it will be moved from a large distance. Okay, in that area again this coconut tree and other plant they grow. Is in that way the seed. Okay, in that way the seed move from one place to another place. Okay, so this is called a seed dispersal. Okay, so the seed dispersal will be happen by the what? By human being, by animal, yes, or by water, by wind. Yes, through the wind or hawa. Okay, through the wind or hawa the seed will be transferred from one place to another place. Yes, so now I will show. This is a cotton. Yes or no? So this is a cotton. What will happen in that cotton? Some seed are available. Yes, when you throw this cotton in the air. Okay, so it will be move. Yes or not? It is a move. Yes or no? So like that way, what will happen? The cotton plant or cotton seed, they move from one place to another place, and where the seed is not available, you will find out the this plant because of the seed dispersal. Yes. So means seed are traveling. Yes, the seed are traveling. Suppose you think your mother are staying in Mumbai. Okay, in Mumbai, what will happen? It is chiku plant, chiku fruits are not available. What will happen? Your grandmother take 1 kg chiku for your mother. What will happen? Your mother eat this chiku and they throw this seed in that Mumbai area. What will happen after some time, some day or 1 year, 2 years, the chiku plant will be grew in that Mumbai area. How does this seed travel by the human being? Yes or no? So in that way, seed will be travel from one place to another place, and it is spread all over the India. Okay. So this is about the seed dispersal of a seed. Okay. Dispersal means travel. How the seed travel from one place to another place. So again now we will discuss the agent of a seed dispersal. Agent means through the medium. Okay. So suppose agent means it is a medium by the through by whom the seed will be travel. Okay, the agent of a seed dispersal. What? Agent of a seed dispersal means किसके द्वारा. Okay, किसके द्वारा. Agent means by the medium. Okay, किसके द्वारा seed will be moved from one place to another place. The agent of a seed dispersal. So write down. So already I told you the seed will be travel by the first human being, then animal, water, wind. Yes. So these four are the agent of a seed dispersal. Agent means medium. Okay. Or representative. Okay. So we can say agent or medium. The write down. The agent of, okay, the agent of a seed dispersal is a first what? Animal, yes or no? Human, yes or no? Then water, yes or no? Then wind, yes or no? So these four are the, okay, so these are the agent of a seed dispersal. So in you will find out the multiple choice question. How? There will be four given, 3 and given another one example of a seed dispersal. Okay, so in that way you have to find which one is odd. Okay, so you have to remember 4. So 4: animal, human, water, and wind. So these 4 are called the agent of a seed dispersal. Okay, so these 4 are called the agent of a seed dispersal. Another one, explosion. Okay, so explosion means a blast. Okay, through the blast. Okay, through the explosion means the blast. Through the explosion, what 5? Animal, human, water, wind, and explosion. In that 5 way, the seed will be travel or disperse from one place to another place, and it is spread in the all over India. Okay, so now we will discuss about the which seed are transferred by human being, which seed are travel by the wind, and which seed are travel by the water. Yes or no? So right, dispersal by wind. Yes or no? So tell me some sweets seed name which are dispersed by the wind. So already we know cotton. Yes or no? Cotton it is a, so already I shown a cotton. So this is a cotton. Yes. So in that seed what will happen? Through the air. Okay, through the wind it will be moved from one place to another place. Okay, then dandelion, drumstick. Okay, drumstick means Nugikai. Okay. So what will happen? The cotton, dandelion, okay, and the drumstick. So these seed, okay, it is moved by the help of wind. Yes or no? So this is the example of a seed dispersal by wind. Then seed dispersal by right. Seed dispersal by water. Okay. So tell me which seed are dispersed by water. Already now coconut. Okay. So already, especially the coconut tree, they are grew on the bank of the river. What will happen? The coconut when it is ripe, it fell down on the water. Na, it will be transported by the water from one place to another place. First example is the coconut. Yes or no? Then any other example? Tell me. Water lily, yes or no? Then lotus, yes or no? So what will happen? Lotus, coconut, and water lily. So what will happen? Water lily have some fruits. Okay, when it will be ripe, okay, through the water, it will move from one place to another place. Like lotus also, it will be move from one place to another place. Okay, so seed dispersal by wind. Okay, wind is over. Then come to animal. Yes, animal. So tell me which seed are dispersed by the animal. First one is the guava. Yes or no? Guava, mango. Yes or no? Then lemon. Yes or no? So chiku plant. Okay. So these seed are moved by the animal. Yes or no? And seed dispersal by explosion. Okay, explosion. Tell me seed name which are moved by explosion. It is the drumstick. Yes or no? Drumstick means nugikai.